All right, here we go. It is a extremely windy day here in Phoenix area, and I'm going to just test this as the normal audio with a really windy day. All right, and now I'm going to turn on my mic. And now I have the microphone attached to me, and it's about a foot away from myself. You can see that down there, about a foot of the way, or a foot away from my mouth. And this is how it sounds with this, without the dead cat on there. And now let me test it with the dead cat. And now this is what it sounds like, super windy with the dead cat. And see how it muffles that wind sound a little bit better. Pretty awesome. Again, this is the Osmo Pocket 3, DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera.